Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making the surface flawless. Clean with soap, rinse, and dry. Next, wipe with 70% isopropyl alcohol to remove every oil smear. This prevents bubbles. Once done, position the sticker lightly. Align edges and use a small piece of low-tack tape as a hinge so the sticker won't shift. Make sure to work in a dust-free area with little airflow. This reduces particles. Finally, peel only the backing nearest the hinge and hold the sticker by its edges to prepare for application. You'll now apply the sticker using the hinge method. Flip the sticker away from the taped hinge and peel the backing a little at a time, exposing just 1 to 2 inches. Then press the exposed edge down and, with a firm squeegee at about a 45 degrees angle, push outward from center to edge in overlapping strokes. If necessary, lift a tiny section back up and re-squeegee rather than pulling hard. Make sure to keep steady pressure. This forces air out and bonds adhesive evenly. Finish by squeegeeing the entire sticker again, moving from center to edges, and peel away any remaining backing slowly. If you see small bubbles, prick the center with a fine needle and press the air outward. This avoids tearing. For larger bubbles, lift only the nearest section, reapply with the squeegee, and press firmly. Make sure to clean the edges and leave the glass undisturbed for 24 hours so the adhesive sets. If stubborn dust appears, lift carefully. Use tape to remove the particle and reapply.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.